YouTube, what up? It's your boy. This is the barber checking in. I just want to do a quick video and just give everybody insight into what tools I'm using nowadays to administer these haircuts. A lot of people ask me, what trimmers are those? What clippers are those? And I just want to get back and help everybody out, add value to what you're doing. Maybe you can take some of the tools that I use and adopt them into your arsenal, and maybe you'll get some A1 haircuts off just like I am. So check it out. First off, I'm rocking out with the Oster Octanes, man. These are probably one of my favorite clippers of all time. I mean, it's a cordless detachable. What's cooler than that? I mean, you got the detachable blades, the old school cutting power of detachables on a cordless body. These are very pricey, I'm not gonna lie. These are probably the most expensive clippers I've ever purchased. They're about $300. But if you're doing these A1 cuts, man, you'll get it back quick. From there, I'll go straight into my gold effects. So these gold effects are great clippers from Bakeless. I really like the blade. I don't know what they did, but this particular blade, you can really hear the crunch. Like when you're fading, as opposed to a lot of other clippers out, these you can just hear it. Like you can hear the fade. You can hear that you're cutting it. Even if you're just corner, shear cutting, you can hear it. It's like crunch, 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 and it's oddly satisfying as a barber. But from there, I go straight into my Wall Seniors. So Wall Seniors are just a great clipper, man. These are one of the probably second coolest clipper that came out. Wall kicked it off first with the Magic clips, which I think every barber had like 10 pairs of those. But then when the Seniors came out, everybody was super hyped because the Wall Seniors are part of the 5-star series. So these are great. I think they're about $150, but you probably can get them cheaper now with all the new stuff coming out. From there, what I did was I grabbed a Wall Designer. Now I'm not gonna lie, I did not like these when I first got them. So what I do, I innovated it. I went and ordered a fade blade. So this blade actually is not even adjustable. I mean, you can adjust it, but it's not gonna do anything. So you have to leave it all the way closed, and it just gets it very, very bald. It's actually called a balding blade. I'm sorry, not a fade blade. It's a balding blade. And this blade, I just use it to, set my initial guideline, and then I go straight in and use my Oster Octanes to administer the fade and speed things up a bit. From there, I go straight into my 1919. So these are just my finessers. When I'm getting towards the end of the cut, I'll definitely bring these out right here. These Wall 1919s, they're the 100th anniversary of Wall. I guess it came out in 1919. That's probably what they call it. So great clipper, man. These are similar to the Seniors, but there's a different blade on them for these, just so you guys can see it better. But yeah, man, two cool clippers for sure. These are my finessers. From there, let's get into the trimmers. So as far as the trimmers go, I'm rocking out with the Andis Quarter TL liner. Shout out to Andis. They send me these for free, man. They stay charged for a very long time. They're just a great clipper. Everybody knows this body style, this great style. I think everybody, your mom, dad, uncle, they probably had the quarter version of these. So when these dropped, I'm sure they made a $1,000,000 because everybody got them. And these right here, the Slimline Pros, another favorite from the Andis family. It's definitely the shape of it is very comfortable to cut with. It's almost like a pencil. It's very thin. It's very it's easy to grab, and it's just a great trimmer for real. So my latest pickup on the trimmer side, actually I just grabbed the skeleton black effects, but we'll talk about that later. But these here are seriously probably my favorite trimmer ever. Gamma Plus Ultra, great trimmer. Man, there's so much I can say about this. It's a very interesting design. I mean, how everybody's been making the skeletons out of the Andis TL liners, like cutting them off with whatever they're doing, sawing them off. These actually are able to be interchangeable as a skeleton or not a skeleton. It just depends on what you want. They have the other piece in here. So you gotta pop them off. When I first got them, they came with this piece actually on, and it's kind of sat on there like that. So it was like a regular trimmer. But you can actually make them a skeleton just by popping that piece off, which was really cool. I thought it was a very innovative design to do that, because most barbers are rocking out with a skeleton-esque clipper now, because you can just see what you're doing better, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, that's pretty much what I'm using for real. probably use it on myself just to get used to it. I'm pretty sure it's similar to the gold effects. But yeah, man, that's pretty much my whole entire arsenal. I don't really use anything else except scissors and razors, or shears, I'm sorry. Yo, Barber Police did not cite me for saying scissors. Shears and razors. And other than that, man, we get it in. We'll do some more videos later, basically just more in depth about, the different blades I'm using, the different modifications I've done, just so you can have a better idea overall of how I'm cutting hair. So hit me up, man, cleangrooming.com for your latest brushes, do-rags, etc. Yeah, man, and just shop. If you got any questions,